what's up? This is my 5th or 4th video. So today is a TJ Maxx haul. So we are basically going to go over some good deals that you can get at TJ Maxx and some things that you can use in your beauty life or things that you can find at TJ Maxx and all of that good stuff for less of a price. So this is what's in my TJ Maxx, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a little bit different than what I've been doing, so let me know in the comments if you enjoy it. And go ahead and join the family, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know every time I upload. Let's go ahead and get started. So, with the first bag that I have here is basically a lot of the makeup. Now these are some things that I have tried on and have tried and some aren't, but I know that it's hard to find gloss, almost like a clear gloss, anywhere you go. So I went ahead and found both of these. These are by Zemi, New York. I've never used this brand, but it is a clear gloss. And it was about, I think, $2.99 for both of these. So that was a pretty good steal of the deal. If you want me to try on any of these or give any reviews on any of the makeup or the products that I'll be showing, let me know in the description box and I would be glad to put that together for you guys. So the next thing I have here is some Anastasia Beverly Hills products. So basically this is a matte lipstick that I got for clearance. And the packaging is beat up, but you just gotta check the product and make sure it is good. So the product was pretty good still when I found it. Good as new. So this is a matte lipstick, and it's hard to find a lipstick that is actually matte in a tube form. So I thought that was a really great deal. It was only $3. So there's that. And then of course we have here a Laura Mercier. Sorry, I'm pronouncing that wrong. A liner, a lip liner here. This is a matte lip liner, and it is a really pretty color. It's a color that I love to wear a lot. It's kind of like a magenta, maroon red. I'll do some here on my hand, a little swatch. If you can get that into focus. But it's a really pretty, like, magenta, plummy color. Kind of a mix of cherry in that. So I really thought that was pretty. Wasn't much for that, about $1. And then, of course, I don't know anything about these, but they're all matte lipsticks, and they were all Sephora brand. And they were about $3 for each of these. Here's all of the different shades. So if any of you guys know about these shades or these lipsticks, let me know. I can definitely do a review on all 4 of these colors here. And I'm going to go ahead and maybe do some swatches as we go along with this. I can't get it off. Not the color I thought it was at all. That is not the same color. So I don't like how that is. It's very creamy. Don't know how it's going to be a matte if it's that creamy. It's like super pigmented. Definitely thought that was more of a deep red. But hey, what else? We'll go with it. I can definitely do a review on these. Kind of curious to see all of the other colors, but we're not going to do that right now. So that may or may not be a good buy. But it's the Sephora Lip Last Color Lip Last Tinware Lipstick. It's waterproof and it says it's matte, so I can do a review on those, so just let me know if you want that. So next we have this NARS bronzer, and this was not a bad buy. So it's really pretty. It seems to be super soft. It's a pretty color. It's more of definitely more of a summer color. So I like that. That was about $9.99. And then this was more on the expensive side. This is also a NARS product. And this is a blush. This is usually about $22 in Ulta or any other higher end place. Still had the film on it and everything. And this is one of the blushes. It's got more of a shine to it. Really pretty. This one right there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely got like a highlighter vibe to it. Alright, so I don't know if you guys know about this foundation, but I have actually picked up one of these before I did this haul, and I tested out the foundation and I love it. I don't know if you guys can find a $4 foundation that is this durable, I guess you would say. So basically this is $4 foundation at TJ Maxx. Love it. It is a Sephora. It's a Sephora long wear matte finish, trans resistant and like long lasting color. So basically it dries matte, but I've been setting powder over top of mine and I love it. Like seriously love it. And then last night when I was out at Sephora, I found this. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I love me some Champagne Pop highlighter from Becca and Jaclyn Hill's collab, like, I don't even know, 5 years ago, something like that. But this is the Shimmering Skin Perfector's Slim Light Champagne Pop highlighter stick. So, I don't know if this is a twist off. It is very sleek. I love the packaging. But I've already ran this on my hands and I love it. It's right there. It is so smooth and it's so pretty. So, there is that, and that was only $6. So, other than makeup, there may be a few more other makeup products that I have to show you guys, but I want to go ahead and jump into this. So, we have a candle. I love buying candles at TJ Maxx. It is the best. Oh, this is one of my favorites right now. I don't know if they have it out all the time, but they're very big, the like different colored ones, and then the candle itself is pea. But sweet pea and pomegranate is one of my favorite flavors right now, and I love the smell of it. Super cute romper. Love the print, and it's short sleeves, long pants, romper, and it was only $16.99. Then it came with this really cute buckle. I've not tried it on yet, but that was cute. And then of course I got some nice, like those micro soft pajama pants. I got 2 of these. This is the pair I've not worn yet. There was another pair that I have. Super adorable. Super comfy, by the way. Now, I've not tried any of these out yet, but this was, got a little dirty. This I've been hanging on to talk to you guys about. This is the Anastasia's Beverly Hill Lip Gloss Set Kit. Now, I don't know if they sold these in the... stores, but when I got this, it was $32 on clearance, and there was a ton of them. I picked them up, and I can definitely do a review on all of these if you would like me to. Definitely probably will. I've not tried any of them out yet, but they do have a vanilla scent to them, which is nice. I know there's some lip glosses that you can get and they stink and you just can't stand to even wear them, so you just throw them away. But now I'm pretty sure they're in TJ Maxx stores for, I think it was 22 I seen last night, and there's still a ton of them. The next thing I got was, and when I bought this, I had no idea it had the clean sign on the front of it. So I was just going to turn it around and use this as my spare divider drawer for palettes. I have way too many palettes. It's kind of ridiculous. So I got this little basket, super cute, for $5.99, about $6. Olivia Rose, like cordless makeup brush cleaner. Not sure how this works yet, but I'm kind of curious. Definitely not going to do it on an expensive brush at first. I think I've seen reviews online and I was kind of curious, so we're definitely going to try this out. This was actually only 10 bucks. So we have the Duo Billion Dollar Beauty. This is the Flash and Filter Highlight and Concealer Stick, and this is in shade Light. Got this for about $4. And I kind of tested the concealer out not long ago. It wasn't horrible. But this is the highlighter. The highlighter is right... Can't really see it on camera, can you? This one's right here. And the Jaclyn one is like right here. The Becca and Jaclyn. You can kind of see my wrist lighting up, sort of. Two-sided one, so you've got the concealer and then you've got the highlighter, and the concealer actually covers not too bad, but it's definitely more of a darker one, and it blends really well, blurs out very nicely. So there was that, and then of course I got these. The Benefits eyebrow kits are like out there like crazy right now. This was about 10 bucks when I got it, and then I got the brown with all of the different, so it's kind of like a click pen. I don't know if you guys remember these. Like you click one side, then the other side comes up. But next we have the Super Glow Ultra Radiant Illuminator. Guys, I had to get this out of the package the other day and try it because it was just calling my name. I love highlight. It's ridiculous. This highlighter is insane. So if you find it in your TJ Maxx, let me know. Beauty Concepts, and the packaging was like maroon with like a flower design in the back, but this was only $4, $3.99. It's insane. Look at it, it's so pretty, but it's really of a loose, it's really loose of a glitter, and it's more of a bronzed illuminator. You can see it on my finger, it's so pretty. And of course we have the e.l.f. This was about $3, $2.99. So this was the primer infused with the shimmer blush, and its name was Always Cherry. It's definitely got a shimmer to it for sure. And that's the color that it comes out to be. And next we found a Smashbox product. This is the Photo Finish Radiant Primer. So I've used this before, and let me tell you, TJ Maxx buy, it was awesome. Definitely a smooth primer, definitely recommended, and it's gorgeous on any skin tone. So definitely recommend this one. This one was definitely more expensive. It was a $17.99. Okay, then we bought the Marc Jacobs Undercover. This is for eye primer, and this was $6. So $6.99 or $5.99, about $6. I did have it the right way. Of course, had to go out and buy me some lashes. I get the lashes that have the clear bands, not the black bands anymore, just because they're way less natural looking, in my opinion, unless you're going for more of that dramatic look. But I got 2 boxes of the 4-pair Ardell Professional Wispies. And then I found this bad boy just kind of browsing the store one day. Went in there for something completely different. And this was about $17. This is a huge buy. This is a Too Faced hangover face primer. So that was an awesome buy. And then of course we found an Urban Decay concealer. You gotta get the Urban Decay in there, right? So we found the Urban Decay concealer, and it's definitely way darker. So this is definitely a summer concealer, but it's so creamy. So creamy. It was an Urban Decay lip liner, and we got this for about $2. And it's like in definitely more of a coral peach. I love it. So pretty. Lip pencil, pen pencil. And this is in the shade Streak. Alright guys, so that almost wraps up our whole video for this. And then one more thing guys. So I wanted to go ahead and give my girl a shout out. This is on, let I'm gonna go ahead and move everything. So since Valentine's Day is also coming up, it may have already passed, so if it's passed when I post this video, just another little shout out to her. So this is for her lingerie website. I am actually one of the models for it, so you guys will be seeing me post on Instagram a few shots and some sneak peeks of everything. So I don't really want to put it out there yet, but there is definitely some cute designs, and I will go ahead and give you just a quick sneak peek of the designs. So here's a quick sneak peek. I'm just showing you guys real quick. So basically, I will definitely put her link in the description box below, but give my girl LaCourse a shout out. But if you guys like this video a lot, let me know and give me a great big thumbs up and some comments below, and let me know if you guys like this again, and I will do more. Alright guys.